Hello students, this is the second part of number theory. Today also I am going to explain some basic problems on basis representation theorem. Okay. Types of number systems. Generally we have several types. There are various types of number systems in mathematics. The four most common number systems types are decimal number system is base 10 system, binary number system is base 2 system, octal number system base 8 system, hexadecimal number system is base 16 system. Generally nowadays we are using these four base systems. Okay. So in the last part I clearly explained how can you convert any number with the base m to a number with the base 10. For example, a, b, c, d, e, f is given with the base m. So what is m here? M is any natural number greater than 1, means m may be 2, or base 2 system, m may be 3, base 3 system, m may be 4, and so on. Okay. Next, what are a, b, c, d, e, f none here? A, comma, b, comma, c, comma, d, comma, e, f belongs to whole numbers, but these values should be lesser than m. If m is taken as 7 or base 7, so a, b, c, d, e, f values are taken from 0 to 6 only. That is one important thing. One more thing is leading digit should not be 0. Then only I can say that this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit number. Okay. So according to our basis representation theorem, I can write this a into m power how many nana? 6 no 5 plus b into m power 4 plus c into m cube plus d into m square plus e into m plus f, or f into m power 0 you can write. LHS is a number with base m and RHS is a number in base 10. Okay. Important note. A, B, C, D dot E F given base m. How to write it into our system? A into 1, 2, 3, 4 m cube plus b into m square plus c into m plus d into m power 0. Interesting thing, next plus e into 1 by m plus f into 1 by m square, and so on. This is very important. Okay. So through one example I will explain the concept here. So we will complete this problem later. One example problem, that is 2, 1, 2, 1.21 base 3 is equivalent to a number in base 10. How can you write? According to this theorem, 2121.21 base 3 can be written as 2 into, here 4 digits are there, 3 cube plus 1 into 3 square plus 2 into 3 power 1 plus 1 into 3 power 0 plus 2 into 1 by 3, this interesting step, plus 1 into 1 by 3 square. Okay. So what I can say, this one 2 into 27 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 9, or another words I can say 27 2s are 54, 10 16 0 70 point. So what I can say, now I want to simplify that. So LCM is 9. So 3 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 9. 7 by 9. General division only, 0.70. 9 9 sevens are 63. 63 means another 70. 7 so on. What I can say, 70.77 so on in base 10. Okay. Yeah. Here one problem is given, students. Convert 215 base 8 to decimal system. Decimal systems into our system, base 10 system. Okay. 215 to our system. Directly we can convert, that is not big problem. 8 square plus 1 into 8 plus 5. Enough. 64, no? 2 into 64 plus 8 plus 5. 2 into 64, 128 plus this is 13. Okay, 128 should be added to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 141. Then I can write 215 base 8 is equivalent to 141 base 10. Okay. So next example, Nana. Convert 1056 base 16 to octal system. Interesting one. Base M2, for example, you want base K. Directly can't. First of all, base M to base 10 should convert, Nana. After base 10 to base K you can convert. Directly can't convert base M to base K. First of all, base M to base 10 by using basis representation theorem. After base 10 to base K, just this number divided by K, you get a new number. That number is obtained by remainders. Okay. Similar way, here I want to complete the problem. Yeah, 1056 base 16 equal to something base 8. Directly can't, Nana. First of all, I want to convert this number into base 10. After that, I will convert it into base 8. So 1056 base 16 is same as 1 into 16 cube plus 0 into 16 square, 0 into 16 square plus 5 into 16 plus 6 into 16 power 0, no need to write. 16 cube is 256 into 16, 36, 3, 6 2s are 12, 1 5, 256, 6 9 0 4, 4096. I can say 4096 plus here 0 into something 0 plus that is 33 80 plus 6. So 86 should add. So 2 8 1 4 1 8, the base 10. Now I want to convert that into base 8. So what we should do, Nana? Just division only. So I will write here 4182 should be divided by 8. 8 5s are 40, remainder 1. 8 2s are 60, remainder 2. 8 2s are 16, remainder 16 is 4 plus 2 6. Again with 8. Yeah, 8 6 are 48, 4 remainder 42. 8 5s are 40, 2 remainder. So now with 8 6 are 48, 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. Yeah, remainder 1. 8 1s are remainder 0. Now what I can say, this is equivalent to 10126 with the base 8. So finally what I can say, Nana? Therefore 1056 base 16 is equivalent to 10126 base 8. Yeah, students, number system chart nana. Base 3, base value 3, digits in that number are zeros and 0 or 1 or 2 only. Take base number, a number with base 4, base value 4, the digits will be zeros and 1s and 2s and 3s, because these are obtained by a number with base 10 divided by 4. So any number divided by 4, obviously remainder should be less than 4 only. That's why the digits are less than 4. That's why in base 5, digits should be digits which are from 0 to 4. That means less than 5. Base 6 less than 6. Base 7 less than 7. Base 8 less than 8, like that. Okay. So one of the important problem on here, important I can write. In base 7, find the greatest perfect square of 4 digits. Important question. In base 7, find the greatest perfect square of 4 digits. Okay, students. So 12 into 12 equal to dash. I don't know what is the answer for this, because I don't know what is the base here. If base is 10, directly I can say that answer is 144. Base is another thing, for example 6, what is that? I can't say 144. We will get the result. But how to multiply two numbers with the base 6 or base 7 or a number with the base other than 10? Directly can't multiply. The operation given arithmetic are given for the numbers with the base 10 only. So you want to find a square root of 16, that is 4. So what is the base? Base should be 10. Then only I can say that this is 4. Okay, all the operations are applicable only for the numbers with the base 10 only. Means that, what is the meaning of that? For example, 1 to a base 6, you want to multiply 1 to base 6, directly can't multiply, directly can't find their square. Indirectly what he is asking, a number 1 to base 6 square equal to dash. So what we should do, Nana? First of all, convert this number into our system, then you can find its square in our system, then the result should be converted base 6 system. After that, number 1 to 12 square. Okay. Yeah. So here in base 7, find the largest perfect square of 4 digit. Largest perfect square of 4 digit. Interesting problem. What are the largest 2-digit number in our system? What is the largest 2-digit number, Nana? 99 only. Largest 2-digit number in our system, 99. For example, what is the largest 2-digit number in base 7? We can't say 99. We should say 66. Because any number with base 7, all the digits are from 0 to 6 only. So 2-digit number, that too largest means the largest 2-digit number is 66. Okay. So what is the after 66, what will the number will get in that number system? This is the number. This is the next number. In our system, after 99, what? 100. After that, 101, like that. In this system, 66 is number. After this 66, what will get number? 100 number. After 101 number, like that numbers. Okay. Yeah. Now what I want find a 4-digit number which should be perfect square. That's why what I am doing, first of all I want to take largest 2-digit number. Okay, solution. Largest 2-digit number in base 7 is 66. Next I want find its square. Its square I want. Directly I can't find its square. What we should do, Nana? We want convert that number into our system first. After that you can find its square. 66 base 7 is same as 6 times of 7 power 1 plus 6. That is equal 42 plus 6. That is equal 48 in our system. square I want. 48, 48 is 64. 8 for the 32. 32 is 38. 8 for the 32. 3 here. 16. 19. 4, 0, 1 here. 10, 13. 2, 3, 0, 4. 2, 3, 0, 4 with a base 10 only. But I want to convert the number in base 7. Okay. So I will write here only 2, 3, 0, 4. I want to convert to base 7. 7 3s are 21, 2 remainder. 7 2s are 14, 6 remainder. 7 9s are 63, 1 remainder. Okay. 7 5s are 7 4s are 28, 4 remainder. 7 7s are 0 remainder. 7 7s are 49, 7 6s are 42, 7 6s are 42. Yeah, what is the remainder? 5 remainder. So what I can say, this is same as 6501 base 7. In other words, what I can say, 66 base 7 number square is nothing but 6501 base 7. So what I can say here, 6501 is a 4-digit number in base 7, which is perfect square. Okay students, now what you got Nana here, 6501 is a perfect square number in base 7. So it having 4 digits. So what is the question? Find the perfect square of 4 digits, means this is the one of the answer. What is the question here? Greatest. 6501 may or may not greatest. How can you judge Nana? So after this number, after 66 number, what immediate number Nana in that system? 100. Now I want to find its square again. If its square is again another 4-digit number, my answer is not 6501. If 100 square is another 5-digit number, then I can say that 6501 is the largest perfect 4-digit number in the base 7. Okay. What we should do, Nana? First of all, you want to find the square of next number in the base 7. Okay. I will write that also. Therefore, 6 base 7 square 6501 in base 7. Immediate number is 100. I want to find its square Nana. Directly I can't. First of all, we should convert that number into our system. 1 into 7 square plus 0 into 7 power 1 plus some plus 0 into 7 power 0. That directly 49. Square I want. 49 49s are 81. 4 9s are 36. 36 means what is that? Yeah, here 2 441. 9 4 are 36. 4 4 16, 17, 18, 19. 104 2401 in the base 10. Okay, now I want to convert that number into base 7. Okay, 2401 should become base 7. 7 3s are 21, 3 remainder. 7 4s are 28, 2 remainder. Yeah, okay. 7 3s are 21, 0 remainder. 7 4s are 28, 6 remainder. 7 9s are 0 remainder. 7 7s are 0 remainder. 7 1s are 0 remainder. That what I can say here, 1 0 0. How many zeros now? 4 zeros. Base 7. What is the meaning of that? The 100 base 7 square is nothing but 140. Okay. What is the meaning of this? Is also perfect square number only, but not with 4 digit, 5 digit number. So finally, what is my conclusion? After square of 66 is 6501, square of 100 in that number system, 66 after 100 only, its square is 6501, its square is 10000, then what I can say, this is only the largest 4-digit perfect square number in base 7. Okay, that should write at last. Therefore the required largest perfect square number with 4 digits in base 7 is 6501. That's all. Okay, students, the next subjective problem set. Here some problems are given, so you want to find their solutions. Okay, so convert the following into decimal number system means just we want to convert into base 10. Yeah, I think all these problems easy only. Just I want to explain last one, that is 1. Okay, I will write neatly. That is 111.11 base 2 equal to a number in base 10. Okay, so how to convert? Clearly explained. Listen students, for example 213.41 should be converted, this base 10 should be converted into base, for example 6. What we should do, this should be divided by 6 and 0.41 should be multiplied by 6. I will show you through that one example. Again I will write one more problem, later I will complete this. So question is 2141.12 base 10 is equal to dash with base 4. How to convert? I will explain. First of all, this number have integral part and decimal part. Integral part should be divided by 4. You get some remainders. Remainder gives the integral part of the required number. So decimal part should be multiplied by 4. Reverse process. Multiplication. Decimal part should be multiplied by 4. Integral part should be divided by 4 and decimal part should be multiplied by 4. For example, the question is 2141 base 10 should be converted into base 4. What we should do? Just 2141 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. 1. 4 3s are 12. 2. 4 5s are 20. 1 remainder. Like that. So after that, this decimal 0.2 we want to convert into base 4 means, so what I did, integral part is divided by 4, so decimal part should be multiplied by 4. I will explain. Okay, first of all I want to complete this example. Okay, so 2141 should divided by 4. 5s are 20, 1, 4 3s are 12, remainder 2. Yeah, 21 means 4 5s are 20, 1. Again I want to divide with 4. 4 1s are 4, 1. 4 3s are 12, 1. 4 3s are 12, 3 remainder. Yeah, 4 3s are 12, 1 remainder. 4 3s are 12, 1 remainder. Okay, 4 8s are 32, 1 remainder. 4 2s are 8, 0 remainder. No, I can't divide. Then what I can say? So I will write here 2141 base 10 is equivalent to 201131 base 4. Okay, that integral part completed. But how to find decimal part? Interesting thing. So what I can write answer? I will write answer here. Students, listen. What I can say here? 201131 point something. How to find decimal part of this? So 0.12 should multiply 4. Okay, what happened? 0.48 you will get now. In this 0.48, integral part should write here. Integral part, that is 0. So after the remaining decimal part is 0.8. Again that should be multiplied by 4 to get another decimal part here. So multiplication 4, 8 4 are 32, 4 4 16, 17, 18, 19, 1.92. In this 1.92, this integral part is the next decimal point. So after that 0.92, with us have 0.92. Again that should be multiplied by 4, 4 2s are 8, 9 4 are 36 means 3.68. The integral part becomes the next decimal part of the required number. So what happened after 0.68? Again that should be multiplied by 4, 8 4s are 32, 3 9, 6 4s are 24, 20, 27 means what is the meaning of the 2.72? So these two become the next decimal point, and so on and so on. Directly what I can say, my answer is, I will write here, my answer is 2141 base 12 0.12 base 10 is equivalent to 201131.0132 and so on, base 4. Okay, here I will provide a website link, Nana. By using that website, we can convert any number to any base to another number with another base. So I will show you. See here, from base to base, value convert and calculate. For example, we did one problem now. So what is the problem here? 2141.12, 2141.12. I will not 2141 point, what is that? 2141.12, okay, 0.12. So actually, so base 10 to base 4, okay, base 10, here 10 should write, Nana, base 10 to base 4. After that, click on calculate. So what will get answers here? 201131, 201131.0132, 0132 and so on. Means what we did, that is correct. Okay, I will copy this. 1 minute, I will copy this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, students. So this is the exact answer. 201131.013 so on. Okay, I hope you people understood. Yeah. Now I want to complete this problem. Yeah, problem number 111.11 base 2 base 10. So what we should do? We need to use base representation theorem or basis representation theorem to convert into base 10. 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 square. So that is 2 square 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Or in other words, I can say that 7 plus here 4 LCM 3 by 4. 3 by 4, what is that? 0.4 7s are 28, 20, 4 5s are 20. So what I can say, this is nothing but 7.75 in our system. Okay. So we can check using that web link also. 111.11, 111.11. So what we did, we converted base 2 to base 10. So what you got? 7.75. What you got answer? 7.75. Okay. Okay. So convert the following into octal number system in base 8 system. So 156 base 10 to 8 means just we want divide 156 with 8. You get a new number with a remainder, that is the required number. So but directly 2008 base 9 is given, directly you can't convert it into base 8 nana. First of all you want to convert this number into base 10, after that you can convert that into 8. I will show you. 2008 base 9 should be converted a number with base 8, directly can't. So what I am doing here, 2008 base 9 should be converted our system according to the law. 2 into 9 power 4 digits means 3 plus 0 into 9 square plus 0 into 9 plus 8 into 9 power 0, no need to write. So 81 9s are 9, 729, 2 into 729 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, 729 2s are 18, 5, 1458, 8 should add 6, 6, 1466, 1466 base 10. Now you want to convert that number into base 8. Just we want divide by 8. 1466 should be divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 6 remainder. 66. Okay. 8 8s are 64. 64 means 2 remainder. 26. 8 3s are 24. 2 remainder. Again with 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 means 2 remainder, 20. 8 8 3s are 8 2s are only 16. Yes, what is the remainder? 7. So 8 should divided by 8 2s are 16. 16 means what nana? 6. So again you can't divide directly. What I can say, 2627 base 8. Okay, so 9 to 8 I will show you. 2008 base 9 to base 8. See what you got nana? 2672. Now which one is better one? So I want to explain C na. 125.125 base 6 to base 8. Directly I can't. First of all, 125.125 base 6 is equal to 1 into 6 square plus 2 into 6 power 1 plus 5 plus 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 square plus 5 into 1 by 6 cube. Okay, 6 square means 36 plus 12 plus 5 plus here LCM is 6 cube. Okay, here 6 square plus 2 into 6 12 plus 5. So 36 17 should add 13 3 4 5 53 by 6 cube. 6 cube means 36. 6 are 216 I think. 216 I will write that. What is that nana? 53 by 216. Here addition how much? 36 46 48 52 48 53. Okay, but that also we need to simplify. .2453 2453 2453 2453 this is 53. So finally what I can write now, that is 53.2453. Okay, that in our system. Approximately, that is 10. Now we want to convert that into base 8. So what we should do, 53 should 53 should 53 should divide by 8, but 0.2453 should be multiplied by 8. I will show you. 53 divided by 8 now. 8 8s are 64, 8 7s are 56, 8 6 are 48. 48 means remainder 5 only. 48 plus 5. Okay, completed. Only 6 5. So what I can say, this is 6 5 point something. How to find point something? That's interesting thing, Nana. So 0.2453 should multiplied by 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 5s are 40, 42. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4 36. So 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3 19 means 1.9624. So this become the next decimal point, Nana. Again 0.9624 should multiplied by 8. This is 4 only. 8 4s are 32. 8 2s are 60, 19, 1. 8 6s are 48, 49, 4. Okay. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 4 76 means 7.6. So what I can say, so 7, like that you can find remaining decimals. So finally what I can say, that 125.125 base 6 is equal to 65.17, so on with the base 8. I will show you, Nana. I will show you 125.125. 125.125. I will show you 125.125. Which base 9 to what I want to check, cross check. Base 6 to base 8. Okay. Base 6 to base 8. 8. So what I got, I will copy this. Okay. What you got? 65.17 something. So what we did correct. Okay, then. So remaining problem you can complete. Here one more problem is you convert the following into number with the base 7. Yeah, these are homework problems.